Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Hyundai Palisade. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new engine oil, typically around 7 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil, and a new oil filter. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety before you begin. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your Palisade using a jack and jack stands, or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Then, carefully pour the recommended 7 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After refilling, replace the oil fill cap and the dipstick. Start the engine and let it run for a minute to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Also, for amazing comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough socks. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.